latest numbers from the Alberta Living Wage Network shows the affordability crisis isn't getting any better. There's also a growing gap between the living wage and Alberta's minimum wage. Quinn Keenan has more.
Lethbridge's living wage is now $22.30 an hour, up 11.5% from last year. Lethbridge has the 10th highest living wage among the 21 communities tracked. Increased housing, transportation, and childcare costs were some of the biggest factors.
A number of things added up, so things like transportation, food, housing, so we saw a close to 20% increase in housing, childcare.
The living wage is the amount of money someone needs to earn to cover their expenses and participate in their community. Some employers, like the Interfaith Food Bank, are certified living wage employers. That means every employee earns a living wage through a combination of their wage and benefits.
You know what, more than anything, we need to put our money where our mouth is. We're an anti-poverty organization, so we need to make sure that we are practicing what we preach.
Living wage now far outpaces Alberta's $15 an hour minimum wage. The minimum wage was the highest in the country when it was introduced in 2018. Since then, it's become the lowest.
Certainly that is a big gap between that and the living wage of $7.30. In Alberta, we have about 16,000 families that are supporting a child under 18 that are being paid a minimum wage.
Poverty reduction advocates say this shows a significant amount of work needs to be done to help the most vulnerable in our communities.
Certainly an increase in minimum wage would help, as well as having more affordable housing units would make a difference. And so if we can see our governments working together to support affordable housing, that would make a world of difference.
Jasper had the highest living wage at $31.80. Medicine Hat, meanwhile, has the lowest with $18.15. Quinn Keenan, CTV News, Lethbridge.